वेलकम टू रैप्टर क्लासेस। आज हम जीके प्लस जीएस के 25 एमसीक्यूज़ के सेट नंबर 3 को करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर वारन हेस्टिंग, और बी रॉबर्ट क्लाइव, सी लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक, डी लॉर्ड कैनिंग। गवर्नर जनरल of India first. Right answer of this question is Lord William Bentinck. Option number C. ऑप्शंस को देख लेते हैं। वैरन हेस्टिंग कौन थे? तो जो वैरन हेस्टिंग थे वो थे फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बंगाल। रॉबर्ट क्लाइव थे फर्स्ट गवर्नर ऑफ बंगाल। और जो विलियम बेंटिक है वह है फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Where is the headquarter of BSF? And the options are A. Kanpur, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Delhi, D. Mumbai. Right answer of this question is Delhi. That is option number C. BSF बना कब था हेडक्वार्टर्स का? ये 1965 में बना था BSF का हेडक्वार्टर। कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who was the founder of socialism? And the options are A. Dauvergne, B. Baba Amte, C. Karl Marx, and D. None of these. Founder of socialism. Right answer of this question is Karl Marx. That is option number C. Now come to next question. When was Indian National Congress formed? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस कब बना? ऑप्शंस आर ए 1882, बी 1885, सी 1900, डी 1995. Answer of this question is 1885. That is option number C. Come to next question. Question number 5. Reliance Jio and which institute collaborated for Bharat GPT program and Smart TV operating systems? Options are A. IIT Bombay, B. IIT Delhi, C. NIT Jamshedpur, and D. BIT Mesra. The right answer is IIT Bombay. That is A. Come to next question. Question number 6. Which state to implement green hydrogen policy to promote clean energy? ये करंट अफेयर्स का क्वेश्चन है। ऑप्शंस आर ए मणिपुर, बी राजस्थान, सी उत्तर प्रदेश, डी उत्तराखंड. The right answer of this question is C. Uttar Pradesh. Come to question number 7. Study of fruits are called. Option A. Pomology, B. Trichology, C. Cosmology, D. None of these. Right answer of this question is A. Pomology, B. Trichology, study of hairs, cosmology, study of universe. The right answer of this question is A. Pomology. Question number 8. Which country is set to become NATO member as Turkey approves its membership bid? This is also current affairs. Options are A. Peru, B. Nepal, C. Sweden, D. Finland. Right answer is Sweden, that is option number C. Next question. Which is the highest waterfall of India? And the options are A. Hundru, B. Zog or Garshopa, C. Lodhagag, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is Zog or Garshopa Fall, that is option number B. Hundru Fall is situated in Ranchi. Jog or Garshopa Fall is situated in Karnataka. Lodhagag, Latehar in Jharkhand. So the right answer is Zog or Garshopa Fall, which is situated in Karnataka. Question number 10. Which river is known as lifeline of Assam? Options are A. Kosi, B. Ganga, C. Brahmaputra, D. Krishna. Right answer is C. Brahmaputra. Come to next question. Question number 11. What is the rank India has secured in Henley Passport Index 2024? Options are A. 81, B. 76, C. 95, D. 80. Answer of this question is 80, that is D. Next question. That is also current affairs. Question number 11. Now come to question number 12. In which place first Olympic was held? And the options are A. Paris, B. St. Louis, C. London, D. Athens. First Olympic. Right answer of this question is D, that is Athens. एथन में पहला ओलंपिक हुआ था, सेकेंड पेरिस में हुआ था, थर्ड संत लुइस में हुआ था और फोर्थ लंदन में हुआ था. ये सीक्वेंस आप याद कर सकते हैं. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. व्हाट इज द नेशनल गेम ऑफ चाइना? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर A. क्रिकेट, B. चेस, C. बैडमिंटन एंड D. none of these. Right answer of this question is none of this, because China play table tennis. Table tennis is their national game. Now come to question number 14. Who was the writer of book Mahabharata? This is a very simple question. Right answer is Ved Vyas, option number B. Question number 15. When was Bokaro Steel Plant was established? And the options are A. 1907, B. 1900, C. 1964, D. 1981. Right answer of this question is 1964, that is option number C. In 1907, Tata Steel Plant was established. In 1964, Bokaro Steel Plant. Now come to next question. Question number 16. What is the SI unit of electric current? Options are A. mole, B. second, C. Kelvin, and D. none of these. This is also very simple question. The options is D, none of this, because SI unit of electric current is ampere. We discuss mole. Mole is the SI unit of substance, amount of substance. Second time, Kelvin, temperature. These are SI units. Mole, amount of substance. Second time, Kelvin, temperature. So right answer of this question is none of these, that is SI unit of electric current is ampere. We denote ampere by A, capital A. 17. When was regional rural bank RRB was established? Options are A. 2 October 1975, B 5 November 1975, C 24 March 1998, or D none of these. Right answer of this question is 2 October 1975, that is option number A. Now come to next question. Question number 18. Where is the headquarter of Tobacco Board? तंबाकू बोर्ड का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? ए कोलकाता, बी पुणे, सी दिल्ली, डी गंटूर. राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज गंटूर, that is D option. Next question. Right to education is found in which article? Right to education किस आर्टिकल में पाया जाता है? ऑप्शंस आर ए आर्टिकल 21A, बी आर्टिकल 23, सी आर्टिकल 17, डी none of these. Right answer of this question is article 21A, that is option number A. In article 23 it is written that right against exploitation. Next, in article 17, abolition of untouchability. Come to next question. Who was the leader of Narmada Bachao Andolan? And the options are A Pankaj Seth, B Medha Patkar, C Kalyan Singh, and D none of this. This is also a very simple question. The answer of this question is Medha Patkar, that is option number B. Question number 21. In which place Koleru Lake is situated? Options are A Manipur, B Andhra Pradesh, C Odisha, D there is typing mistake in D options is Jammu and Kashmir. So answer of this question is Andhra Pradesh. Koleru lake is located in Andhra Pradesh. Manipur, there is Loktak Lake. Andhra Pradesh, Koleru Lake. Odisha, Chilika Lake. And in Jammu and Kashmir, that is Wular Lake. Now I think all options are clear. Question number 22. Again typing error. Which state is the largest producer of coal? And the options are A Jharkhand, B Odisha, C Tamil Nadu, D Karnataka. Right answer of this question is Jharkhand. A Jharkhand. Very simple question. Question number 23. Which state hosting the 4th Rusoma Orange Festival 2024? This is current affairs question. Options are A Goa, B Gujarat, C Nagaland, and D Tripura. Right answer of this question is Nagaland, that is C for Chanakya, Nagaland. Question number 24. Which place is the birthplace of Mahatma Buddha? Options are A Bodh Gaya, B Ujjain, C Lumbini, and D none of these. Answer of this question is Lumbini, that is option number C. In Bodh Gaya he got enlightenment. Lumbini birthplace. This is situated in Nepal. And the last question is, who was the patron of 4th Buddhist Council? And the options are A Ajat Shatru, B Kala Ashoka, C Ashoka, D Kanishka. 4th Buddhist Council patron. Right answer of this question is D, that is Kanishka. Kanishka was 4th patron. Ajat Shatru was first, Kala Ashoka was second, and Ashoka was third. So you can also remember this sequence. so that if any questions is asked you can answer easily. So this is the last question. आई होप कि आपको ये MCQs अच्छे लग रहे होंगे. अगर अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो आप प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए सो दैट मैं इस तरह के वीडियो फ्यूचर में लाता रहूँ. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.